Yes, hello guys. So today I gonna to do some discussion with my friend. She is my friend wife, but I am teaching her before from I think from 6 7 days, or I can say from 10 days. And today she is ready to perform, and she was saying that today I will perform means I will just say some line about my husband, and that beautiful line I am ready to listen that, and she will say that lines. Okay, so you also enjoy that things. So, ma'am, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. So, yes,
I am
say
ready.
what you want to say. First, say something about yourself in 2 3 line. Then say that thing. Okay.
My name is Kushbu Kumari. Hmm, I I am a teacher. I teaches in English. Um,
Junior classes. So you teach English
yes,
in junior classes. Yeah.
yes.
Yes. Yes. She is also a teacher. Yes.
Um, aba- I say about husband.
Okay. So today you will say about your husband.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Very good topic
Hmm,
that you choose.
My husband name is Vinay Kumar Anand. He is a teacher. He teaches physics, foundation physics.
He is only teacher
Teacher.
or he is good teacher?
Teacher. He is a teaches well.
Teaches well.
Yes.
So he is good teacher.
Yes.
You are also teacher.
Yes.
And he is also
Yes.
teacher. Which one is better teacher?
Mm, uh,
You or he?
he.
Who is better?
He.
He is better teacher. Or she is accepting.
My husband is.
Husband is better teacher. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. Yes, continue.
My husband is best friend.
Your,
Yes.
your my also best friend.
Yes.
Yes,
He helps me study.
yes.
He is a honest person and
Sure,
mm,
sure he is honest one.
yes.
Sure. Oh, yes, okay.
Eh, he loves his mother.
Okay.
He loves children.
Yes. Also children. Yes.
Yes. Um, he he is kind person.
Kind person.
Yes. He is very smart.
Very smart है. So the mean sir. Yes. Very smart. Yes, smart husband. Yes.
He encouraged me my dreams.
Encourage.
वो प्रोत्साहित करते हैं.
Encourage. Encourage.
Encourage.
Okay. Okay. He
Encourage
encouraged. Yes.
me my dreams.
Yes.
Mm,
He encouraged me
He encouraged me.
to fulfill my dream. Huh?
Yes.
He encouraged means he encouraged you. Huh?
Yes.
To fulfill your dreams. Okay. So you say he encouraged me, or he encouraged me, or every day he encouraged me
Yes.
to fulfill my dream. Okay. Okay.
He is also MACT.
He is also.
MACT कभी कभी चाय बनाते हैं.
Oh, Mac tea. I was thinking Mac tea is something. Huh? Oh, sometimes he makes tea for you. Huh? Okay. He makes tea for you. Okay. Eh? Tasty. Tasty than your tea.
Yes.
Huh? Tasty than your. It means that's why she like. Huh? That's why she is able to say many line about him. Huh? Yes. So very good cook. Very good cook. Huh?
Yes.
Oh.
Uh, no, non-veg.
So only he makes tea.
Yes.
Only tea.
Yes.
Huh? Nothing else, nothing more than this.
He taught non-veg.
He taught you to make non-veg.
Yes, banana
He
सिखाया.
taught you to make non-veg.
Yes.
Oh, this is reverse order. This is a world of reverse order. Huh? Earlier, lady used to teach the gents. Now, gents is ready to teach the. Huh? No. Oh, I think means that's why your husband is very good. Huh? Okay. So he taught you to how to prepare chicken, how to prepare mutton, how to
Yes.
prepare number of the food items. Huh? What you taught? What you taught him? Does anything you teach him?
Teach. Yeah, teach. Yes.
What you taught him?
Taught him. Fish.
Fish. Oh, you taught him how to make
Fish.
a delicious fish, huh?
Yes.
Fish, okay, huh?
Yes. Banana kofta.
Banana kofta.
Yes.
Banana kofta banana या banana kofta?
Banana kofta.
Banana kofta. Oh, kela kofta.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Kela kofta. Hmm?
I blessed. मतलब I blessed. Thank you.
Okay.
Got husband.
Oh, so she want to say that I thank to God, huh?
Yes.
Because I got such type of husband, okay?
Yes,
Oh my
yes.
God. The first time a lady is saying I am very happy with my husband, huh?
Yes.
So okay, very good. I
Thank
think.
you.
So you think I think also every girl should get husband like him, like
Yes,
him,
yes.
like him or him,
Like.
like him, huh? Yes, okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
So one question is that, okay? So why you are learning English? Can you answer this question?
Yes.
No pressure, okay? So if you answer, so say the answer. Otherwise, next time, okay? Share your opinion. So right now, I am asking a question to you. Why you are learning English?
Well,
What the reason?
English learning is the daily life. मतलब जिंदगी जीने के लिए
जिंदगी जीने के लिए तो ऑक्सीजन चाहिए।
नहीं मतलब इंग्लिश चाहिए ऑक्सीजन के बदले भी इंग्लिश चाहिए बोलना ये चाह रही हूँ
So you are teacher, okay? So means जब पढ़ाने जाती है तो आपको जरूरत पड़ता है इसका. That's why you are learning English, हाँ? Or you want to learn English. So ये कारण है ना? तो इसी को बोले जिंदगी जीने के लिए, हाँ?
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay.
जिंदगी जीने के
Okay, so now, okay, yes. You want to say something? Yes. Okay. So now I connect to her lovely husband. Okay. Okay. So focus there. Focus the ma'am. Give this mic to your husband. Pause. Pause. He understand how to manage. Yes. Now. Here. Sir. Please.
Oh.
And T-shirt. Huh? Okay. I help you. Yes, very good. Okay, no need of help. You are already physics foundation teacher. Yes. See,
Good evening to all of you. I teach one thing about my lovely wife and my lovely teacher, Krishna sir, and to all my colleagues which is sit down in this classroom. First of all, I say about my lovely life. I cannot interfere their personal life and always encourage him to study very fairly and care about children, my mothers, and my also family members, and all of my students and colleagues also, and good behavior with all of them. ठीक है, this is my first advice when I marry him. This is the very important for your husband that every person is very happy when they all of meet your husband. There will be no any ego problem between me and them.
okay.
I live very happily, but after marriage, the lifestyle will be changed according to them. I try to change my life. This is the very good changing in my life. I try to change my behaviors, my lifestyles, but I help always the poor and weak students. Marry him in 214 and get engaged in 213. I have 2 child. ठीक है ना? we and she love them, and she also loves my mother and all family members. She is very beautiful in behavior, but one thing is very impressive. She also told me, and when I take in any problems, he helped me.
So one thing he is making you he, huh? He want to make you male. So you try to say what? See, huh? See, huh? So he lot of times he forget this, na? He used to say he.
Yes.
So see,
Yes, some
he
mistakes
see,
will
he
occur.
see, he see. Okay.
Some mistakes will occur because I speak
Okay, very good.
frequently.
So that's why I am correcting you.
And
Or one thing I want to know. So what last suggestion you want to give your wife?
my last suggestion, this is the uh, uh, okay, don't disturb if any circumstances takes place in both of the
Means
life.
he is saying give me more freedom. Huh? He want to say that give me more freedom if I get like some bad circumstances, or if I want to do something in future, so don't stop him. Okay. Okay. So would you like to also call some our colleague member?
Yes, I called Jagdish sir.
Jagdish sir, come. Welcome. Jagdish. Focus here, Jagdish sir. Yes. Jagdish sir.
And
So sir, say few
tell,
lines.
tell about
Few lines about
English
what?
and why
What?
English
Yourself.
spoken is necessary to
Yourself.
learn.
Okay. Yes.
Why English spoken is necessary in
My
our
name
life.
is Jagdish Mato.
Yeah.
I teach in Avata Academy. I am here, exam controller. I take examination every Sunday and half yearly annual examination. Here I am a teacher, teaches mathematics in all junior and senior sections. Nowadays, I work in junior section because in junior section students are very weak and come can very complain from guardian the junior section is very big,
Yes.
so improve the junior sections.
So you try to improve,
I will try to
or you will try to improve them.
improve them. कि no parents complain
Again.
again
Okay.
in any subject.
Okay. Okay. Very good. He spoke. Okay. It's, I think very good. Embracing. But one thing I want to ask you. So the question is that you are math teacher, huh?
Okay.
You are exam controller here. So you are holding lot of responsibilities here.
Okay, I am
So why you are learning English? What is the reason behind this?
because English is very necessary
Yes.
in daily life
Daily life. Yes.
because because without English
Yes.
we cannot do anything in modern life.
Okay.
Where everywhere English is necessary.
Everywhere means bathroom.
But no, in
Yes.
institution.
Okay, okay. So yes, oh, you want to
in
say
institution,
institution when we go, then there we need to
any
speak.
institution. Yeah, yeah. English necessary.
Okay, that's why you also want to learn this.
I want to learn English
very good.
and speak frequently,
Okay.
anywhere, anytime.
Okay, very
And
good.
thank you so much.
So yes, Jagdish sir. So our one friend is Pinky ma'am. Would
Pinky.
you like to talk with Pinky ma'am?
Thank you.
Yes. so Pinky ma'am. So why Pinky ma'am is going backside? Jagdish sir. Yes. Asa ma'am. Yes. Here. No, sit there. Yes. Here you can sit. Pinky ma'am. Let ladies sir. Very good. Yes. Yes.
Good evening, all of you. My
Good
name is-
evening. Good evening. Yes.
My name is Pinky Kumari
Uh,
from Patna. My husband name is Sanjay Prasad. I have 2 children, one daughter and one son.
Yes. 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 Say. Okay. So, ma'am, you are nowadays you are studying, huh? Or you are learning English. Learning.
English.
So I think the last time you learned about WH family.
Yes,
So do you remember that things?
something.
Remember something you remember,
Something,
huh?
little
Or some
bit.
translation you are also doing nowadays. Okay. So may I ask some question related to that?
Simple question.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन ओके तो कुछ सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं इनसे जो ये पढ़ रही है वो थोड़ा सा याद आ रहा है कि नहीं पीछे की चीज है ना सो पहले आप मुझे यही बताइए कि डब्ल्यू एच किसको बोलते हैं डब्ल्यू एच फैमिली मतलब क्या अपना चाचा वाला चाची कौन सी फैमिली
WH जैसे what, where, why, whose,
यस
whom.
यस तो ये सबको डब्ल्यू एच फैमिली बोलते हैं ना
Yes, sir.
तो फैमिली मतलब वर्ड का भी फैमिली होता है हमने इंसानों का सुना था जानवरों का
मैंने भी पढ़कर सुना कि WH का फैमिली होता है.
डब्ल्यू एच का फैमिली होता है मतलब ऐसे वर्ड जो के से स्टार्ट होते हैं क्या
जी, जैसे क्या, क्यों.
तो ऐसे वर्ड जो ए से स्टार्ट होता है उसको डब्ल्यू एच बोलते हैं
नो सर,
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन.
क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट अच्छा ऐसे वर्ड जो डब्ल्यू से स्टार्ट होगा क्या या एच से उसको क्या बोलते हैं डब्ल्यू एच
WH.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा 2-4 क्वेश्चन ही इनसे पूछता हूँ ना अगर उतना याद होगा तो पूरा याद कर ही चुकी होगी ये हेल्प करता है डब्ल्यू एच हमको
ट्राई अगेन.
ओके यू विल ट्राई ओके
Yes, sir.
सो इज इट हेल्प इन टॉकिंग डब्ल्यू एच फैमिली हेल्प करता है बात करने में
Yes.
Yes,
What
what?
is your name?
यस व्हाट क्वेश्चन
Where
करने
are
में
we
वेयर आर
doing?
यस व्हाट आर यू डूइंग
Yes.
ओ इट हेल्प्स तो हमें पढ़ना चाहिए ना
Yes, sir.
तो बताइए कि क्या का इंग्लिश क्या होता है
क्या का?
क्या का
What?
क्या का व्हाट होता है
Yes.
अच्छा और मैं बोलूं फिर क्या 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 जिसे मैं बोलते हैं ना कि क्या क्या लेकर आए हैं मार्केट से हाँ क्या क्या खरीदना बाकी रह गया है तो क्या क्या का क्या
Never
बोलूं
mind, sir.
नॉट एबल टू रिमाइंड ओके चलिए जैसे हमें बोलना है कैसे
How?
हाउ बोलेंगे और बोलेंगे आप कैसे कैसे यहाँ पे आ गए हैं
Which? Which? नहीं.
which how नहीं अच्छा चलिए
how?
छोड़ो थोड़ा और इसको बदलते हैं अगर हम ऐसे पूछेंगे कि यहाँ पे कैसे कैसे इंसान रहते हैं तो इस टाइम कैसे कैसे का क्या यूज करेंगे हम क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में कैसे कैसे को नहीं याद आ रहा है
नहीं, sir.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं ये थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है कि प्रेशर की वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है ना तो चलिए कौन जैसे कौन का हु होता है पता है कौन सा का क्या होगा
कौन सा?
कौन सा लड़का
What? Which?
which
person? Which boy?
बॉय है अच्छा कौन सा लड़का मतलब which बॉय
हाँ.
कौन सी लड़की
Which girl?
कौन सा कुत्ता
Which dog?
which dog अच्छा which dog है तो ऐसे हम बोलेंगे बिल्कुल सही है अच्छा मेरे पास ऐसा हो जैसे कौन कौन सा आदमी कौन से लोग तो क्या बोलेंगे which
I don't know.
तो which all क्या बोलते हैं इसको
Which all.
which all है
Okay.
अच्छा कहाँ का इंग्लिश क्या होता है
Where?
फेयर अच्छा मुझे कहाँ मतलब मैं कहाँ रहता हूँ ना अच्छा ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है कि मेरा घर 2-4 जगह हो या आप जिससे बात कर रहे हैं उसका घर 2-4 जगह हो तो ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं ना कि आप कहाँ कहाँ रहते हैं तो कहाँ कहाँ का इंग्लिश क्या होगा फिर
Where all?
फेयर वाला ना कुछ तो याद करिए है ना
Okay,
कुछ
sir.
कुछ बाकी है
Yes, sir.
सो ये अब सीखते समय थोड़ा और याद हो जाएगा मुझे लगता है
First
नेक्स्ट टाइम
day-
जब हम मिलेंगे
first
आपसे
day.
देन डेफिनेटली विल रिमेम्बर एवरीथिंग ना अबाउट WH फैमिली सो आई थिंक आई एंजॉयड टॉकिंग विथ हर और अब थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस फील हो रहा है या नर्वस
Yes,
फील हो रहा है
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
आपके साथ आप पढ़ा रहे हैं.
थैंक यू मैम मुझे भी अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके
थैंक यू सर.
हाँ ओके मिलते हैं